Oh my god. Yo, Sally. Yo.
Yo, Speed, bro. I got nervous, bro. I thought you nearly lost it.
No, I didn't. I still got it.
Bro, that was way too
No. Don't get in.
Bro, it's locked. Bro, your base is locked. Relax. Chill out.
Yeah, I know, but it has. Don't get near my shit.
Okay, bro,
Don't get near my stuff.
Look, okay, I'm keeping my distance. This is, look. Okay.
Don't get near my stuff.
But look. Even if I go here, I can't get in. Look, you see it's locked.
I know, but don't get near though.
But what's the issue of getting near?
Because I have.
It's shut.
What? What? Watch out. What? No, stop playing. Stop.
That's what you got for stand-up. That's what you get for stealing my shit, bro. Don't ever steal my grandma brain rots again, bro. What's wrong with you, boy?
Treno struzzo turbo 3000.
Calling the police, bro. I'm calling the police. On my mom. Y'all just stole my shit. Hello?
Yo.
Is this the police?
Well, what's wrong?
Somebody stole my monsters and steal your brain rot.
This sounds terrible, sir. Is this a video game you're talking about?
Yes. They committed fraud.
Can you describe to me what happened in detail?
I was playing Roblox, and I had Yin Gang, the best monster in the game, and they stole everything and scanned me and committed fraud. The fraud of action of the American Constitution law, page 32. So I can make a request and make an appointment and go to the judge and take this to an actual special case. So I want my monster back.
Right. Okay. Well, I think we can assist with this, but we need some more information on who did this.
Sammy.
Do you have is that it? Is that all you got, sir?
Yes.
Not much I can do with that. I think you need to get more information for me.
Nobody's helping me. Nobody's fucking helping me.